Get up here. You get to sit on my lap.
Midnight tea is your snuggle partner.
Mm-hmm.
I bet he would be happy for a sleepover, wouldn't he?
Yeah.
He wants to kiss you. He says,
what are you doing?
He says, Maddie, I want to give you a kiss.
What are you doing?
Yep.
You're the only one that kissed me.
Yeah. Somebody else did. I forget who.
What are you doing?
He likes when you rub his belly.
Sure. Belly rub.
Belly rubs is right.
Oh, goodness. Okay, belly.
He's like a little rag doll.
Mm-hmm.
Look at him. He's happy.
You put your paws in the way, I can't scratch your belly.
Josh is looking at himself in the glass over there. Look at him. Matt, can you see him? These two clowns
That's
are...
great.
Yep.
I know.
Oh. He's like, rah, 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 rah. Your little T-boy is your buddy. Nope, this one finally said enough. Josh, where are you? You're the only one over there still looking at yourself in the glass.
Josh.
Yeah, they pulled my baby monitor out and everything out of the wall. We survived.
Josh, what are you doing?
He'll plop down here pretty soon too. He's ready to crash. You ready to crash, buddy? And one more trip behind the chair, I guess. All right, Mads. Say goodbye to Midnight Tea.
Bye-bye.
And all the other puppies, because we got to put them away.
Bye.
Put them in for a nap, because I need to have their mommy come see them. She's been really good and patient about all this, but it's her turn to be with them. She likes to be with them.
Ow, ow, ow. Don't do that.
No, no, no.
No, no, no.